When it comes to tea, unfamiliar people facing various mystical names such as Bilyuakun, Taiping Hokue, Tiguanyan, Baihao Injin, Longjing Tea, Maojian, Dahong Pao, and so on, will feel a headache. What exactly are these? Perhaps everyone doesn't know. Although the names of tea are varied, all teas actually come from the same plant, which is the tea tree. It is generally believed that the tea tree originated from the southwestern region of China. Due to geographical factors and human intervention during its spread, the growth forms of tea trees vary in different regions. When people process them into tea leaves, they use different techniques, resulting in green tea, white tea, yellow tea, cyan tea, black tea, and dark tea, 6 types of tea. Initially, people mostly directly brewed fresh tea leaves with water for consumption, but the taste was not satisfactory, and they were difficult to preserve. They had to be heated and dried. The result was unexpectedly good after drying, leading to the development of tea-making processes such as fixation, rolling, and drying. Due to the loss of most of the white hair on the back of the tea leaves, the tea soup appears light green or yellow-green, so this tea is also called green tea, which is the earliest type of tea. So here's the question. What about other kinds of tea besides green tea? In fact, the difference between green tea and other teas lies in fermentation. Green tea is the only one of the 6 types of tea made from fresh tea leaves. Other teas are all made from fermented tea leaves. In ancient times, various accidental circumstances such as moisture, compression, and exposure during the processing or transportation of tea leaves caused quality problems. This accidentally provided an opportunity for the emergence of other types of tea leaves except green tea, which can be considered a happy accident. For example, white tea is a lightly fermented tea. Due to the lack of killing green and rolling processes, it is only dried, resulting in a large amount of white hair on the tea leaves, making the tea soup appear yellow-green with a hint of white. Yellow tea undergoes further fermentation, with a process similar to green tea, but with the addition of yellowing process after fixation, resulting in both the tea leaves and tea soup appearing yellow. Cyan tea undergoes further fermentation and is a semi-fermented tea. Because oolong tea is the most famous in cyan tea, sometimes people also refer to oolong tea as cyan tea. Black tea is a fully fermented tea, so it tastes more bitter and astringent, but has a mellow flavor. Black tea was originally produced by the Ming Dynasty specifically for overseas trade because green tea loses its flavor over time, while black tea does not, making it more suitable for long-distance transportation, which once led Westerners to think that only black tea existed. Dark tea is a type of post-fermented tea, which means that the tea leaves are fermented again after being made into tea. Dark tea originated from the tea horse trade in the border areas of China. In order to facilitate transportation, merchants pressed tea into tea bricks. However, they inevitably encountered rain and sun during transportation, resulting in the fermentation of the tea leaves due to repeated changes in humidity. Unexpectedly, this became the favorite type of tea for ethnic minorities in the border areas. Because the ancient Central Plains Han people did not want to sell good tea to ethnic minorities in the border areas, dark tea is mostly made from highly mature and coarse old materials. Even during drying, they did not avoid smoke, resulting in the tea soup appearing dark brown and turbid, which eventually became the characteristic of dark tea. That's all about tea, so don't forget to subscribe if you find this interesting. Thanks for watching.